Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Razr 5G and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now we have to find sound, it's right here, and now let's tap on advanced. And as you can see here, we've got the whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, for both SIM slots, for notifications and alarms. Let me pick, for example, the first SIM slot. And as you can see here, we've got a list of defaultly installed ringtones. What's more, we can set none, so your device won't announce you any incoming calls. And as you can see, we can also add our own ringtone. Let's tap on it, and if you will have any compatible files, they will appear right here and you will be able to use them as a ringtone. But let me get back, and now let me show you how to listen. If you want to check how the particular ringtone sounds, then simply tap on it. And if you are happy with your choice, just tap on it and tap on OK. Make sure to mark it and click on OK. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. The same situation will be with other ringtones, for example for notifications. Let's tap on it, and the same situation, you can set none, you can choose something from defaultly installed ones or add a notification sound from your own files. Let's pick something, for example this one, and if you're ready, click on OK. The same situation, it has been immediately changed and applied. So that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Motorola Razr 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.